Hey guys, hope you're doing alright. I've got a bit of a different video here. Today I'd like to walk through the process I made to convert my AR-15 into a free float configuration. I know a lot of people are considering doing the same, and I thought that this video can help you know what to expect. That said, let me be clear and say that this is not a step-by-step tutorial. Consider this video to be a loose guideline for those of you wanting the basic rundown without having to sift through 30 minutes of footage. Let's begin. Here we have my Ruger AR-556 outfitted with a UTG 15-inch slim rail. To get things started, I took off the stock birdcage flash hider so that I could access the gas block. For those of you wondering, the birdcage was later replaced by a Miculek DPMS muzzle brake. The Ruger AR-556 comes stock with an aluminum milled F-sight that also forms a large part of the stock gas block. For my purposes, however, I need a low-profile gas block for my rail to fit. So I had a few options in the way of low-profile gas blocks. I could either purchase an aftermarket low-profile gas block, or, and this is what I ended up doing, I could angle grind the stock F-sight off, finish the edges with a file, and blue the exposed surface. The stock gas block has two retaining pins located on the top right and top left of the component that help maintain the unit's position over time. Meanwhile, aftermarket blocks rely on a series of screws to keep everything in place. These screws have been known to loosen after extensive use, often requiring additional attention and maintenance. In addition to angle grinding the F-sight, I also had to grind the bayonet lug, which is unfortunate because, well. Next, I dismantled the barrel nut assembly. Ruger uses a unique system that makes this process relatively easy, only involving two components. Depending on your rifle, however, this process could prove rather difficult, requiring a specific set of tools and instructions in addition to the involvement of more parts. If you do end up running into any problems, I suggest finding a video designed for your specific rifle. Once I finished with all of the preceding parts, I could finally attach a UTG slim barrel nut that would accept the new rail. Then I just had to tighten the screws in place. And there you have it, a brief overview of what you can expect if you decide to convert your drop-in AR-15 into a free float configuration. I would also like to apologize for any issues regarding the audio. Hopefully I will be able to resolve the problem soon. If this video did help you in any way, I would appreciate your support. Thanks a lot and take care.